Hello? Yo, what's up? Um, yeah, so I wanted to do a stream. I haven't done a stream in a long time, so I figured I would give you guys some updates on the site and also exciting update. I'm working on a game called Mogulplex Golf, and it's gonna be really cool. So let me just real quick make sure I'm got everything I need here. So yeah, I'm working on a game called Mogulplex Golf. I'll show you guys a little sample right now. I'm really excited for it. Check out this little splash. It's really for mobile, so like it's on desktop, but it's really for mobile. But it's pretty cool. We got this little, so we got this little like intro. This is for one of the holes, and you got the Mogulplex guy, and you're golfing. It's pretty laggy right now. I think probably just 'cause I have so many things open on my computer, but it's like this is really gonna be a sick little golf game. This is just for me something that I work so much on the website. Sometimes my brain needs a little break. So like this is like while I'm working on the website, I also work on this, and it's like fun. But I also think this could get really popular. So we'll see. Par, there we go. But anyways, I need to make a logo and a favicon for this. Let me just make sure my stream is actually working real quick. But yeah, so I was gonna make a little favicon slash logo, and I just figured like what I was doing was actually pretty cool, so I might as well just stream it. So that's what I'm doing. Just one second, let me make sure the stream is working. Okay, we're good to go, I think. What is this? All right. So first of all, Blender. Um, this is kind of like Blender. I had the a 3D model of the golf club from the game just sitting around, so I was like, I might as well start here. You can actually make pixel art in Blender in a pretty cool and simple way. You just set the camera to a super low resolution, so 128 by 128 pixels. You press render, and it gives you this tiny little picture, and you zoom in on it, and it's nice. It's like pixel art. So I just set up the lighting nice, and then how to put on the transparent background, which you can do in this section, and I put on freestyle, which gives it this nice like outline. So that gave us a cool little golf club pixel art PNG that we can use. And so I just threw in Ace Bright. Ace Bright's, I think it's like free or it's like $20, so pretty easy to get your hands on. This is like the software for pixel art. And honestly, I haven't used it all that much, so we're gonna be you're gonna have to bear with me while I figure out how to do some of the stuff on this. And also how we want this logo to look. So I'm thinking I want to throw in the original favicon. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but it keeps going. It keeps coming in as like a separate file, so maybe I can like copy paste it in or something. I don't know. Let's see if I can like copy paste. Okay, so that was actually easier than I expected. Can I do this in a way that doesn't make it look horrible? Is it gonna like update? Okay, I don't know. Let's just do this. Oops. So we got this. We're gonna move this layer up. Is there easy? I'm sure there's an easy way to do that. Really, Ace Sprites for animations is what's really good for. See, this is what's embarrassing because I don't even know how to do the easy stuff, like move layers up and down. But obviously you can make flat images with it too. How do I move this thing? Okay, there we go. I think I got it. So let's see. Can I make this bigger in a way that doesn't look horrible? Still in the wrong layer. This doesn't look good. Can I move this layer down? These are both in the same layer, that's why. Okay. Let's figure this out. This is embarrassing. So we got this layer, and we got this layer. This layer needs to be underneath this layer. I'm gonna paste. Ooh, what is all this? Erase that. I don't. Okay, maybe that came from. Maybe that's a straggler somehow. Yeah, from this file. I don't know how that's possible, but whatever. Okay, bear with me. We're gonna go here, paste. Move this underneath here. I guess this actually needs to be this layer. Dude, am I going crazy? Okay, there we go. So we're gonna copy paste here. Deselect, move this over here. Yeah, I've been making a lot of music too recently. So that's been good. This might be a little too like crunchy right now. Like this needs to be a lot more like this looks weird. I wonder if I have okay, so like I have this too. But this is like a nightmare. First of all, it's huge. Second of all, I'm gonna have to delete a lot of stuff. How do I make this into like an actual? Okay. Here's what we're gonna do. This is already becoming way more complicated than it had to be, but this is how we're gonna do it. So we're gonna open up Photoshop. It's funny because I know that I have a transparent picture for this too, but I just like I don't know where it is. So we're gonna open up Photoshop. Do a little lasso tool. This is so silly, but at least it'll be easy. It should be pretty quick. Here we go. I'm sure there's some sort of better tool I could use to do this, but whatever. It's not gonna matter that much because we're gonna pixelate this whole thing like crazy in a second. Luckily, this guy is pretty much just straight lines. I'm not gonna worry about being exact too much. Although I do want the black outlines to still punch when we pixelate this. So something to consider. So here we go. Let's flip this. Erase everything else. Make this transparent. Get rid of this. And then we're going to do. Wait a second. I might have cooked myself. I want to make the canvas 128 by 128. Okay. Maybe we can do it right here. Yeah, here we go. Okay, so this is good. Let's do this. Export as. Wow, it's crazy. It's saying me there. Mogulplex pixel. All right, cool. So now that we've opened our like fourth software, we're doing the most basic stuff. That's good. Okay, so we move back into Sprite. Here we go. Oops. Okay, we got our guy. Looks a little weird. That's fine. We can fix that. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. We're on this layer. Delete all that. Delete everything. I really like this software. I think it's really cool. Then we get the new. Okay. Okay. We're making steps in the right direction, but we got some work to do. So let's put this like over here. I wonder if we should mirror this. Have the little golf club for sure. Maybe we should should we rotate this? Oh, it's locked. And then I kind of want, I don't even have my freaking drawing pad plugged in. So we're going to have to do this in a stupid way. But I kind of want let's put this behind this right here. Okay. Let's add a new color to the palette. Let's do like a nice light blue. I kind of just want this is like so stupid without a drawing pad, but alright, we want it to be way lighter than that. Let's see, we're just gonna see what I imagine is like a nice swoosh. Or maybe like this way. Okay, so it's becoming obvious to me that if we want to do that, we're going to have to change the position of this club. Okay, and we might have to change the position of this guy too. And then we got this swoosh still on this brush. Almost. I really just this might take a bit more thought than I initially imagined. That's okay. Oops. I know there has to be a more efficient way to do all this, but I'm just not that good at this software. Also, that looks really bad. I think it's slowly degrading every time I rotate it. Gotta be careful. Is anyone watching? I don't think so. Okay. Let's try this again. Right here. I kind of like this positioning. Oh, we need a new layer. Okay. Gonna take this. I don't know what that just was, but yo, what? Okay, I'm making new keyframes. Let's not. Can we deselect that and move this? Okay. Patience, patience, patience. This layer needs to go under here. This looks stupid. It's gonna take me a while to get this curve exactly the way I want it. But we might be getting somewhere if we just you know what I'm saying? Oh, shoot. Okay. Okay, but you see where I'm coming from, right? Maybe I don't know. I think both sides of this gotta be thinned down. Something needs to be done about this for sure. Oh, okay. 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 Whoops, that's the eraser. Full white. Doing this with a freaking trackpad is literally so funny. Okay. I feel like I feel like we're getting somewhere. This curve, I'm still not sure about. What if... What if this curve was a little more like this? Oh, a little more like this. Oh, hold on a second. That was actually good. Let me just erase. Erase. Do I like this? Is this good? Does it need a little more curve in it? I think it might. Okay. So let me keep it pushing. Oh! Okay. Needs to start out very thin. We're getting somewhere here. Oh, fuck. Okay. We're definitely getting somewhere here. Okay. Okay. I don't know if I am fully on board with this right now. But let's just just to humor me, let's just how does this not work like that? How can you not do both at once? There has to be a way. That's crazy. But whatever, I guess I can just do one at a time. Even though it makes no sense. Okay, wait. I don't know. I just don't know. What if we take... I wish we could rotate both these at once. There's really no way you can't do that. Like, come on. Okay, that's fine. Oops. What about this? Does this look stupid? Kind of. I really wish I could move both these at once. This is driving me crazy. Like, how? Okay. What the hell? Oh, it's a center rotation. That's kind of cool. Okay, so we're going to want this to be like over here, though. Did I just erase everything in here, in this layer? Okay, that's fine. Please deselect. Okay. Let's try this again. See if we can make this look better. I think like we literally just like throw this guy like right here. Something like this. It's gonna be like a favicon mostly, so like it's okay if it looks kind of weird. In fact, this might be too big to be a freaking favicon. That's my main concern now. I feel like that's kind of cool. Maybe we can make him a little bit bigger. Okay. It's gonna look weird when it's like not in a pixely spot and this guy's just all screwed up or whatever. That doesn't help. Okay, we're gonna restart from scratch with this guy because like I feel like every time you like squish and resize and like squish and resize, it just gets even worse. Okay, kind of like this. I feel like this looks good. I think the screen on stream might be like a little thinner than my real screen because I'm noticing on stream it looks like this is like stretched out like a box. This is a square. I wonder if there's a way I could fix that. I don't know. I don't really care. But PNG does not support layers. That's fine. Export as. Alright. I don't know if I can even use this as a favicon. Maybe if I export as, it's currently at 128 by 128. So 100% at 128 by 128. I assume this resize is by side length. What's 132 divided by, or 128 divided by 32, like 4. So this has to be 25%. Alright, that's not gonna look good, but whatever. Wait, did I just say area? Okay, never mind, the bug. Okay, let's see how these turned out. Oh, this don't look bad. This doesn't look bad. Even the 32 by 32 one looks kind of decent. That looks sick. Except it looks like he's swinging like a scythe. I wonder if I should make the background white for that. This actually looks kind of cool. Okay, let's try it. I think we might have nailed this first try, at least for the favicon. I don't know if this is gonna be a great like logo, you know. All right, I don't think this is gonna like. Oops. I hope that didn't just like dox me. Let's see. Is there any? Not really. Okay, so that was the wrong VS Code window though. That was for my other project, Mogulplex, the main site. Let me check this real quick. Make sure I'm not exposing any secret code stuff. One second. Let's make me check this stupid crap. I'm just gonna spin up a new terminal. I don't want to deal with all that. So you spin up a new terminal, you get the Claude code going. Taking a second to boot up. Okay, we're here. New favicon. Let's see how it looks. I will say I recently gave in, and I now have the $100 per month Claude subscription. So best might ever spent. I'm not gonna lie, because I used to hit the limit like 10 times a day. I mean, like 4 times a day. That's like the max number of times you can hit it. But yeah, I used to hit like 4 times a day, and I literally haven't even gotten close to hitting it once. So once I upgraded to the $100 plan, I literally use it all the time. So loading in the favicon, see how it looks. Just telling it a few things. Let's see how it looks. Did I just close the tab? Oops. Okay, let's see. I don't know if I like that. It's kind of weird. Like you can't even tell what that is. I don't know. Maybe let's do something else. Let's try making this bigger. Actually, then let's just paste this in so it's the original. It doesn't scale all weird. I think we just want like this. And then maybe like, should we just do a big golf ball? Would that look cool? Should we just put a big golf ball right here? Should be pretty easy. It's literally a white circle. Let's see. Make a new layer. Why not? Like, is this gonna look? Oops. Oh, I hate how it does that. And in Ace Sprite, for some reason, the brackets don't resize your brush like it does in software and every other or like it does in Photoshop and every other design software I know of. See, I just did it again. I don't know. I don't even know what it does. Like, I don't know. I swore everyone agreed that the bracket keys were for the brush size. I thought I even changed that in my default settings, but whatever. It's a great software. I'm not trying to bag on it, but like little stuff like that, I don't know. Like, I don't get it. Maybe like right here, golf ball, and then we're gonna have to do some masking. New layer. This is gonna be like the shading. Like, we're gonna want to a little better than that. How do I want to do this? Actually, here's what we're gonna do: is we'll start with the shaded ball, the shadow color. We'll go fully white. Make sure this is masked to the previous layer. How do you do that again? Is this it right here? I don't know what that is. How am I? Okay, here's what we're gonna do. What we're actually gonna do is select this whole circle. Bro, come on. Select this whole circle. There's definitely a smarter way to do this. Okay, but that's not bad. And then now when we do this, I think it'll just paint within this. Okay. We got something here. We got something here. Yep. Okay, now we just need some dimples. Little tiny, what is this? Spray tool? That sounds perfect. So we're gonna go back to this color. Whatever spray tool is, that might be perfect. Can I make it bigger? Oh, whoa. I don't know what that is. Oh, here we go. Wow, that's actually pretty cool. Wow, that's a really cool tool. Just like speckle a lot of these down here. Not as many up here. We're almost there. We need to do some. Maybe make this a little bigger. Not that big. Or maybe even smaller. Can I make it like spray less? Definitely, right? Like spray speed. Let's make this like 8. I don't know what speed is. Do some of this. This is low-key like too dark. Let's do like, I don't know what speed is. What if we make this 8 too? What does that look like? It's not really what a golf ball looks like. We might not. This tool is really cool, but this might not be what I'm actually looking to do. I think I kind of want to like just do like. Oops. See, this is it's changed. I guess it changes the brush. I think we want this to be like a little like. I'm sure there's an easy way to do this, but like, just it doesn't really look great. Just want to do like the little dimples, you know. Okay. I'm going back to the spray. Hold on a second. That don't look bad. I think that looks decent. I swear for some reason on the stream, everything is squished. Like, this actually doesn't, like, I don't know why. Maybe it's just the way my OBS is set up, but I don't know why everything looks like stretched taller. This is a square. This canvas is a square. I think this is all right. Let's try this. Favicon golf. Golf logo. This might be pretty good. Okay, let me get this guy involved again. My buddy Claude. Tom. Try this one. And while we're waiting, I suppose we can play a quick hole. Might as well, right? Oops, swiped in. Swapped in, so it should already have the new one. Oh, see that doesn't look bad. That honestly, I kind of like it. It's a little weird. It's kind of hard to tell what it is, but I kind of like it. I think that's actually pretty good. Maybe I should just make. I don't even know. I could just make the golf ball like even way bigger. I think that might look good if I make the golf ball even much bigger than it already is now. I mean, here's the image itself for the favicon. Wow, it's funny because the little white pixels I was too lazy to delete at the very start are like coming back to bite me now. I have to. I know there's a magic wand in this though. Should have been using this thing. Oops. Should have been using this thing the whole time. Tolerance 0? That seems wrong. What the hell, dude? 100? Like what? Oh, it's because I'm on this layer. Okay, let's do 10. See what happens. 50. What the hell? This ain't working for you? This isn't clicking. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Maybe let's do like 90.